a week, 2 times a week. Within a month, you will tell me. People will start asking your face, like, what are you applying? What are you using? What are you applying? What are you using? This is the secret.
My eyes see your face, searching for.
Do you want a skin like this? A flawless skin? A smooth skin? A tight skin? A spotless skin? A flawless skin? Naturally, without makeup, without foundation, without anything? Then watch these videos for you. And if you like it, please subscribe and share so that you can help someone out there who wants to know these beauty secrets. Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's Lucy Kenga here, and if you're new here clicking this video, thank you so much for clicking and watching this video. If you're a returning subscriber, I can't thank you enough for watching my videos, guys. Thank you so much. So here I'm back again with another video, and as I promised you guys, we're going to do a mask on our face, because I just want people to know these beauty secrets I have and beauty tips which I've learned all those years. So guys, let's hop to the video, and make sure if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe down below. And if you like this video and it's good for you, just like this video, and you can share it with someone who you need them to know this information and get this knowledge passed on, guys. So yeah, let's hop into the video closer so that you see. I've washed my face. I'm from washing my face, and now is my mixture, you see, and it's sandalwood. I will tell you, this is sandalwood and turmeric. So it's this 1 teaspoon of turmeric and a 1/4 teaspoon of sandalwood. This is sandalwood powder, this is turmeric powder. So I've washed my face and I'm ready to apply. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some water here just to make a paste. You can add a little bit of water as you mix so that you can see if your paste is the consistency which you want. And guys, the benefit of this turmeric is a lot. As I'm applying it, I'll be telling you the benefits of this turmeric. So you wash your face with soap, whichever soap you're using on your face, or as long as you wash with your soap. Then you don't want to wipe out the water. You just leave it like that. Don't wipe dry your face, just leave it wet like that. And then after making your turmeric paste and sandalwood, mixture of turmeric and sandalwood paste, face mask, you just apply in a circular motion, guys. You just apply in a circular motion. So the benefits of this turmeric, it helps you get rid of pimples and acne. Yeah, and it heals your scalp, it reduces your scars and damaged skin, and it also evens your skin tone. Yes guys, it brightens your skin a little bit and takes out the sun tan. When your skin is being damaged by the sun, this turmeric powder face mask really helps a lot. It helps a lot, guys. And don't worry about this color. It's so organic that it's not harmful to your skin, and it really does help with healing your scars and helps really to get rid of those spots and marks. So I'm just going, and don't apply pressure. Please don't rub harshly on your face. Just apply it very smoothly, but in a circular motion like that. So it really does help in reducing your age also, because it has a lot of antioxidant with it, which I love so much, and leaves your skin so soft, so fair. It really gets rid of those spots. That I will not lie to you. I've been applying this since like I don't know when, in my youth. If you haven't watched my videos of all types of skins, and I will link them also in the description box below, and I will put them a card link for those videos there. So guys, yeah, you can go watch those beauty secrets and those beauty tips which I'm giving out here. Yeah, I'm going to wait and then come back to you guys, show you how it has dried up, and wash my face, and you'll see the results for yourself. Just immediately you'll see. This is how it has dried up. You see a patch like here, it hasn't dried enough, but it's okay since it has dried still, but it's supposed to look like this. And the way I'm talking like this is because it's so tight, and that's one benefit of this turmeric. It tightens your pores, works on your pores, and that's why it reduces the signs of aging. It's because it tightens your pores so tight and make your pores tight. We all know that if you have loose pores, that's when your skin sags, and when your skin sags, you look old and older, or maybe you're not that old but you look older. So this is one benefit of it, which I love. It tightens those pores and still keeps away the signs of aging, like everyone we know wants to look young. So guys, I'm going just to wash this off, and let me tell you real quick those benefits of this turmeric. Look at it, guys. Just look at it closer. It really does make your skin smooth, clear, and get rid of them. Also the marks and the spots, you won't have those So I've washed my hands. Look, if you see my hands, they're totally different. Like this one is a little bit colored and this one is not colored. I don't know if you can see that. So my face is also going to look a little bit different with my neck around here, the skin color of here, but it's because of this little bit color, and that's what we want on our skin. That's what it really does the job of it. And stay until the end of this video, because I'm going to give you one clue benefit which you don't know what this does. A lot of people are trying to figure out what will help them with their feet. I'm going to tell you how you do it and how it helps you with your feet, because a lot of people have that trouble. So let me go wash my face and come back. So I've washed my face. I didn't want to wipe it out so that you see, and as you can see a lot of difference before and after I've applied it. Like my face now is like another tone, you see, another skin tone, like totally different, and looks so healthy and so wow. This is what I love turmeric on my face. This is something else, something good. So let me tell you, or should I write, so that this video won't be that long, because I don't want a long video about this. It really does clears. I'm emphasizing on that. It clears your acne, your pimples. Acne is pimples. And another thing, guys, I've forgotten to mention, please take this in note. When you're going to rinse out your turmeric, please don't use soap. Just rinse with warm water. Look, it's not supposed to be hot, like just body temperature water, you know. So just rinse with that body temperature water, but don't use soap. Don't use soap. That's a no. Don't use soap. Just rinse with water only and leave like that. Just stay like that for about 4 hours without you rinsing your face with soap. Just leave it like that so that all the ingredients will soak in. And I'm emphasizing on this. If you want it not to work, just rinse with soap. But if you want this thing to work for you, don't rinse with any soap. Just rinse like that, because your face was already clean when you washed it. When you washed it with the soap the first time. So I'm bad in explaining, but I hope you understand me, and I pray that you understand me. So guys, yes, it reduces the signs of aging, it clears your acne and pimples, it reduces redness. For those people who are skin lightening and they are doing skin whitening, please use turmeric. That's the secret. If you don't want your skin to get burnt by those chemicals and sun, please use turmeric. Add some milk in it and honey. For those people who are skin lightening and skin whitening, just take turmeric, add honey, a little bit of honey there, and add some milk there and apply. And remember, don't apply pressure, don't rub on harshly and roughly. No, just apply it in a circular motion. And for those people who want to brighten naturally, as I said, if you want to know the difference between skin lightening, skin whitening, and skin brightening, you can go and check that video. I'll link that link in the description box down below. You can go and watch that video, guys. So those people who want to do skin brightening, you can go and use this with milk and then add some lemon juice. For those people who want to skin brighten, and it's not bad, skin brighten is the natural thing. It's the natural thing you can do to just lighten your skin naturally. So this involves this turmeric exfoliates your skin, and remember, lemon too does that, and milk also does that. So it's good for those people who are brightening their skin to use turmeric, milk, and lemon juice. For those people who are skin lightening and whitening, they should use turmeric with milk and honey. And guys, I think I've come to the end of this video, so let me give you the bonus one bonus point about this turmeric. And this turmeric heals your cracked heels. I will write it there if you can't understand me properly. It heals your cracked heels. Remember, guys, this turmeric really does heal wounds and scars. So it heals the cracked heels. If you have those heels in your feet which are cracked, or you know someone who they are cracked, their heels are cracked, please give them this remedy. So free and natural, they can use, and really does work. It works. So I'll list all that because I'm not feeling well today, have a headache, and my sound is not that well. So I said, I promised you guys I'll do this video. And another thing, guys, I told you guys I'll come here and show you the results of that tattooing my eyebrows with that hair dye. And this is 1 week after. Oh God, there is a motorcycle, I think, passing by, and I can't talk. Moshi moshi. That hair dye, and this is after 1 week, and you can see my eyebrows, guys. And my skin which was tinted, my skin which was tattooed with that hair dye, it's no more. But my eyebrows, you can see that they are now like black. I haven't applied any eye pencil, any eyebrow powder or whatever they apply here in the eyebrows, on the eyebrows. So they are so natural, like they tint your hairs of those eyebrows. I hope you understand. These strokes of hairs, they being tinted black with that hair dye which I used on my eyebrows. If you haven't seen that video, please go and watch that video and you see how I tattoo my eyebrows. Another thing, if I've forgotten anything, I'll write it them down there, or at the side of here, I'll write everything. And here, so as you see, I'm from washing my face right now, and this is how it looks. Now tell me, is it worth trying? Just comment down below what you think and how you've seen the result. And I wanted to tell you guys that we're going to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for those people who are subscribing. And mostly this channel is about like giving out good information, because vlogs is more entertaining. So I just want to pass out something useful which can help someone out there. So if you know someone who needs to see this video, please share. And if you haven't subscribed and you're watching, just please subscribe. It's free. Subscribe down there, the red button, and hit that bell too, so that you'll be notified whenever I post new videos, so that information won't pass you behind. And also, if you haven't liked, just like, don't watch and go, just like also this video, guys. Like every woman, every little girl, every man wants to have a gorgeous face, a beautiful looks, and marvelous looks. So it's good for men and good for women too. So you can try these remedies, and they're not harmful. They're things which I'm doing them myself as my routine and what I've seen. So with any questions, please comment down below if you have any questions, and feel free just to talk anything down in the comment section, like regarding to what I'm giving you guys. If it's cooking, beauty, and vlogs, which one you prefer better, just comment down below. Let me know also the content which you like most. So yeah, look at my skin. I'm so proud of it. And this, guys, this turmeric face mask, you can do it. It's good you do it like 2 times a week to be very, very beneficial. But if you don't have time, once a week, it's okay. Or even 2 times a month is okay. But if you're struggling with spots and marks, and you want to cure those your face is scarring and maybe it shows signs of aging, or maybe you have got the suntan, you want to take it out, or maybe you have got the chemical burnt your face and the sun rays, the harmful sun rays have burnt your face, use this 2 times a week. Within a month, you will tell me, people will start asking your face like, what are you applying, what are you using, what are you applying, what are you using? This is the secret, the hidden secret. And turmeric is, I believe it originated from Indians, and turmeric is a spice, guys. It's a spice. So yeah, it's not chemicals, it's a plant, it's a root, and people just make it like a powder and you apply. So the last thing I want you guys to know is that make sure you buy the good quality of turmeric. There are some people who just sell fake quality and add some synthetic colors there, and there's this genuine turmeric. Just get the orange. I told you my voice. Get the orange turmeric, not the yellow turmeric. There's yellow. People are adding color, synthetic colors, and selling things saying that it's turmeric. No, go for the genuine, good quality turmeric, and you see good results. And turmeric is orange in color. So yes, guys, thank you for watching, and yeah, see you on my next video. Tell me what you want me to do. I do vlogs, but vlogs is for fun and entertaining, and I want to help someone here who is looking for answers, and that's why I'm good with beauty secrets and beauty tips at home, which they're not that costly, like anyone can do at the pleasure of their home, at comfort of their home, and still look beautiful, gorgeous, and have that marvelous skin. And yeah, so guys, thank you so much. So this is another part episode of that lightening and whitening skin. For those who want that tip for lightening, whitening, and brightening, this video has that one tip of it. Turmeric. So I have nothing more to add.
Campus Front.
I have my skin, and you know, nothing comes easy. Nothing is given for free. You have to work for it. So your skin, you have to work for it. Know the right tips, the right beauty tips, know the right beauty secrets, and just apply to them and see the results of your skin. Skin will give you results of what you are doing to it. Yep. So until the next video, bye.